At the Vision Quest store. Here goes Debbie. She'll be back. Come on inside. Thank you. Hi. How's your day going?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm good. I'm good. You guys usually really busy in here?
It depends on the day, but for the most part, we always have people coming in and out.
What's your most popular selling item?
A lot of people are always in the crystal room.
Oh, let's go look. Thank you for showing me the crystal room. That's where my sisters are going, is into the crystal room. They're not a... Okay,
So we have all of these individual polished crystals, and we also have some raw ones. There's some cases over there. So if you're ever looking for a specific crystal, we can help you out.
Well, thank you very much.
I
What
love
is your name?
I'm Mackenzie.
Mackenzie. It's nice to meet you. I'm Annette. Thank you. I made this. My sister over there is has been a clothes designer for many years, and she gave me a whole bunch of scraps from a million different things.
Oh, so you just get to go at it.
And so I tried to make it look like a cat.
I can
with
tell.
Whiskers, because because I like the cat stuff. My other sister has 4 cats. She's also good.
Yes.
So being a cat lady, cat woman. Yes. Someone called me Batman, and I was like, "What? Oh no, you just look like a cat. Come on."
Cat books over here if you're interested.
Oh, well, thank you. I'm gonna check them out. Thank you very much, Mackenzie. Have a good day.
Yes. Bye.
Bye. Bye. I think that is the track. I think this is just a little relaxing room. Speak your truth. The witch cat. Oh, pretty. I can see your hat. Nice. The crystal tree. A back scratcher.
We don't want to spell it wrong.
Good. Not as pokey. Good. Ah, it looks like it feels nice. Little kitty paw. Yay. And what kind of stuff do you guys teach back there?
Well, we have tarot classes, we have self-healing classes.
Self-healing and tarot, and that's so excellent.
Yes.
We do the gongs, and my sister's really good at the bowls.
Yes.
Oh, we do it every day, and it's like heaven.
Yes, they have great classes.
Heaven with the bowls. Well, thank you for letting me make the video and stuff. It's really cool.
I'm Lexi.
Lexi, nice to meet you, Lexi. Thank you. Cool cards. Yeah, let's be mermaids. The mermaid. Love is the answer.
I don't.
Pretty. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Beautiful.
cool. I love
Ready to go.
I want to do that.
Simply Sparkles. Vision Quest. Bye. Thank you.